All right, so today we're going to talk about absolute value. Okay, so absolute value, the formal definition of it is the distance a number is away from zero, or how far is a number away from zero. So that's all we're trying to find. To represent absolute value, you'd be looking for two bars or two lines around a number. So let's just start with the absolute value of 3. So you see I have my two bars around the number 3. So I'm asking, what's the absolute value of 3? So again, we're trying to find how far is 3 away from 0. Well, in order to find that out, I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to count till I get to 3. So I'm 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces away from 0. So the absolute value of 3 would be 3. So if I'm trying to find the absolute value of -3, again, it's the same thing. So I want to know how many spaces or how far away am I from 0. So if I'm trying to get from 0 to -3, how far away am I? So 1, 2, 3. I've got -3. So I am 3 spaces away from 0. Okay, so if you notice the absolute value, you always have a positive number. Okay, so whatever number is inside the bar, it's going to be the same number that's outside of the bar, but it's just going to be positive. Okay, because when we're talking about the distance or how many spaces, there is no positive or negative. Okay, so when we talk about the absolute value, remember it's always positive. Okay. That's one thing you have to remember. It'll make it so much easier. Okay, always positive. So if I would like to figure out what's the absolute value of -4, again, you're starting at 0 and you're counting to -4. It's 4 spaces away. So my answer would be 4. Okay? So it's kind of the same thing if I want the absolute value, and remember these lines mean absolute value of 50. Our answer would be 50, positive 50. Absolute value of -100, our answer would be 100. Okay, so the absolute value is always, always, always positive, and it's represented by these lines right here. Okay.